In this video, you will learn how to add AI to Gmail. Open Gmail and sign in. Log into your Gmail account in your web browser. Click the gear icon and select Get Add-ons. From the settings panel, choose the option to browse your Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for an AI tool. In the Marketplace, type keywords such as AI Writing Assistant or the specific tool you want to install to Gmail. Select and install the AI add-on. Click your chosen AI extension, then press install and follow the prompts so you will be able to connect it to your Gmail. Grant permissions. Review the requested permissions and approve them so your AI tool can work directly with Gmail. Use AI tools in Gmail. After installation, you will see your AI assistant in the Gmail sidebar or Compose window to help you draft or manage your emails. Now you know how to add and use AI in Gmail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.